In this video, we are going to solve the next determinant with Python and without Python. Here is our determinant, and we know that in this diagonal we have 1, 3, 5, and so on. It is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, etc. And we know that this row is a consecutive numbers. It's similar to the row 2, except for the diagonal. Then what would happen if the row 1 is subtracted to the all rows? For example, R2 minus R1. We have the next determinant. We have 1, 2, 3, and minus 1, and we have 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. And what will happen? We subtract to row 3, row 1. 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. And row 4 minus row 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0. And so on. In this corner is 2n minus 1 minus n. And we have a new diagonal. This diagonal is consecutive numbers. Then the determinant is the multiplication, the product of all of these cells of the diagonal. It is because under this diagonal is completely filled of zeros. Then we have 1 times 1, 2, 3, 2n minus 1 minus n, and it is 2n minus n is n minus n minus 1. It is. In this part, we have a product of a consecutive numbers. It is a byproduct to I equal to 1 to n minus 1. In this part, we have n minus 1 elements, and this element we should to take for all the determinant, because this diagonal only represents this determinant, and this determinant is n minus 1 rows and n minus 1 columns. But with is 1, we have the full determinant, all elements. It is 1 times the product of the consecutive numbers. We have finally that it is In Python, we only can solve a part of the determinant. It is this determinant by 5 or 3 by 3 or 4 to 4, etc. In our terminal, we should to import simplify as sp, and we need a matrix 3 by 3, for example, and is sp dot matrix, and we need 3 rows, 1, 2, and 3. With 1, 2, 3, in this row is 1, 3, 3, and in this row is 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Okay, and it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay. The determinant is sp dot det of m. The result is 2. Okay, it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 5. The determinant of this is remember that the determinant is this number for this adjunct. It is 1, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 5 minus 3, plus 3, 2 minus 3. It is minus 2, minus 4, minus 3. Here are our arrow. It is 9. And the result is 2. Okay, I hope that this video will be useful for you, and I see you in the next video.